Hello, I'm Tracy Mooney with Keepsake Quilting, and I am here with Lisa Archer from Pickle Designs. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Well, thanks for joining us. So Lisa has a really interesting specialty. Will you tell us a little bit about what you do?
Yes, I design in-the-hoop machine embroidery designs. So they're automated sewing patterns that take advantage of your embroidery machine and do all the stitching work for you.
I love it. Now, I know that there are some quilters out there who may have bought the upgraded fancy sewing machine that came with an embroidery attachment, and some of them maybe didn't even take it out of the box because they're afraid.
Yep.
What I love about Pickle Designs is that your designs are approachable and they teach quilters how to use the embroidery hoop.
Right.
So I know you have a few examples over here.
So we do lots of fun stuff, hot pads, pot holders with some embroidery integrated, but this entire project is made 100% in the hoop of your embroidery machine. And we also have amazing instructions. I know you used to
I used to
help
work
proof
with
our
Lisa.
instructions. Right? So they're very detailed. So even a beginner, even if you've never used your embroidery module, you can follow one of our designs and make a finished project.
So true. So the exciting thing that's coming to all of our Keepsake customers is Lisa and I are partnering in 2024 to do Embroidery Club in the KQ Live app. So we are going to be bringing you very approachable, easy quilt blocks, one block per month,
Right.
that can turn into a block of the month quilt at the end of the year, or you can use the designs to make different projects.
That's right. Yep. So we have some of those projects here. This is actually a peek at the first quilt block of the month. They're going to be a surprise except for this one. So on the 15th of the month, a new one will come out. You can take that block, you can make something small like a hot pad with it. You can put it aside and add it to the other 12 blocks or the other 11 blocks at the end of the year to make a sampler quilt. Or each month you can take the block of the month and make it into its own project, like a wall hanging, a pot holder, or even a pillow. And all of the piecing, the batting, and all of that quilting is done by your embroidery machine. So you don't need to even know how to quilt to get these beautiful professional stitches.
Which is amazing to me because I don't feel like quilting is my forte, but it's perfect every single time that you stitch it out.
Exactly, you have very consistent results and it's easy.
Well, I am looking forward to it. So stay tuned for January. That will be the first embroidery club with Pickle Designs and me in KQ Live. So we'll have information below so that you can download the app if you haven't already, and please register and stay tuned for more information.
That's right. Well, thank you for having me. I look forward to working with you this year.
Oh, I can't wait.